Hello everyone, today I want to share with you a very special tea ware called Zisha, but it's not a pot like this, but it's very special. What is special? You see, it can separate to become teapot. This is the cup, and this is the filter, and we put the tea lid and put the water here, and this one is the cover. You see, become a one cup, and this is the cover, and this with the filter inside here. See, filter. So that means we put the tea lid here and put the water, the brewed water, and the water, the tea will flow this little hole. So let me show you. Today I want to make a milk tea in Chinese people. Our Chinese people say milk tea. The tea with milk, you see, tea lid. It's called, this is black tea. In Chinese we call Hong Cha. You see, this is the wild red tea. No, this is the wild black tea. We call Hong Cha. Hong, it means red. So this is brewed water, the tea lid, and at the beginning we just wash. You see the water. If you want, you can directly put it here. It's hot. See? Funny, huh? Good. After wash the first time, the tea lid, we put it. Wow, nice. Let's see. Smells good already. So you put the milk powder here. So let's see. Open the cover. Oh, all the water already come into this cup. No more. So I'll show you, huh? The tea leaf is still here, and the water become to here. You see? So this is the red tea. Oh, in English it's called black tea. So I put the black tea into the milk powder. You see what happened? Oh, nice. Smell good. The good smell comes from the black tea and also comes from the milk tea. So I almost usually drink my milk tea like this.